here with Pak Rus at Bali Appropriate Technology Institute. These are tables that he built from a very, very old jackfruit tree.
So just have a big tree in the jungle over here. They happen to cut it, so I bought it all. So we got 3 tables, 4 might be, yeah. Even in my garage there, we have part of the tree. All jackfruit, very, very strong wood.
So you still have more wood from the tree.
I still have some not yet processed.
And so far we've seen 4 tables. There's a table over here.
And this one over here too. This one over here. And then this one here, the normal one, which is very big slab actually. Big slab.
Oh my goodness, this is the same jackfruit?
Yeah. Same jackfruit. Yeah.
You can see he kept the natural edges of the tree, and it has a very beautiful sort of a pink, almost pink orange color to it.
It's natural color, yeah.
So Pak Rus estimated the tree must have been over 100 years old.
And look at this.
This is also the same tree.
Yeah, this one here. See,
Isn't that beautiful?
This has got a butty on it.
That is amazing. Look at oh my goodness. I didn't know that jackfruit wood was so beautiful.
That's a crack, natural crack that I just...
You just worked with it. So if you ever see a gigantic jackfruit tree and it looks like somebody's going to take it down, save it. So this is also same.
Yeah.
How big was the tree? How tall?
Oh, it's about this big or bigger.
Bigger than that around?
Tall maybe about 8 meters.
Wow.
About 8 meters, so not very tall.
But it was very thick because you obviously got a lot of wood from the tree.
Yeah.
So they were going to take the tree down, and you simply bought the...
Well, actually, the man who was cutting the trees over here saying, oh, there's a big tree over here, I want to sell it, we're going to buy it. So I said, okay, let me have a look. And I see a very big tree. And I said, well, I'll buy it all.
Buy the whole thing. I think that was good thinking.
Yeah, okay, let's makan, eh? Yeah.